Nayagarh in Odisha. So Siddhamula is a place in Odisha which is famous for its nature and hills, and as a family likes nature and all, so that's why we have came here. So as I said, came here, we already have reached the hotel. So why not take a tour of the hotel? I think so, yes. Okay, so let's get going. And before that, subscribe, like, and share. Okay, let's get going. Let's begin from the entrance. So we have two entrances. First is that way, which is the car entrance, and the other one is the that's the car entrance, and then the other one is the non-car entrance, you can say. And next we are going for the park. There's a little small park over here where there's a slide and some swing. And the swings thing is also not fixed. This is the seesaw. It's broken. Some parts are broken, as it's 11 years old. And there's a swing, as I was saying, the broken swing, and that's the slide. My sister likes it. Come on, Sia. Come on, do it. Okay, so she's going. There we go. She is nice. Really good at it. Whoa, whoa. Okay, Sia, now let's go for the cottage. There's a lot more sliding. So let's get going for the cottage. So there's some stairs right there. So as I was saying, the swing, it's not actually broken. There's some parts are not swing. Yes, so let's get going. This is it. And this is a kitchen. You can suppose it as a kitchen where we eat our lunch, dinner, and breakfast. You can say it as a cafeteria. Mostly I say it as a cafeteria. And here's a lawn where I like to play. My sister and I like to play because it's really a space free. So now let's go heading to our cottage. So can you see the front one? And that's a cottage, and that's a car also is there. And yeah, let's get going for that. Now we go to the cottage. There's our cottage, the first one. So this is a cottage. So first thing I would like to say, this cottage is not working with the electricity, it's working with the solar panel. As the electricity is very hard, we'll get it from the hills. It will take a lot of time. That's why. And here's a very lovely painting. I really like the most over here because I clicked so many photos with this also. When I first came only, I started to click photos. There's some deers and there's a sunset picture. So yes, now let's go for the cottage. No more going. Now let's go. So we have booked for two rooms. Okay. So let's go for the first room. That's the second one. Let's go first room. This is the first room, and here's the bed. So fluffy, really fluffy. Awesome. And here you can see it as a dining room. I eat here mostly cousins. And there's here another chair and a table. I want to sleep now. Well, it's no time for resting. I'm going to show you guys the tour. Now we're going for the balcony, in which you can see the most beautifulest view ever. Here is the most lovely, beautiful, gorgeous view. And I can show you another view, which you can see the hills. So the hotel is actually on the hills, so that's why you can't see it properly, I know that. But it's a really nice surrounding. Now we are going for the second room, but I have an easiest place where we can go to the second room. So it's the living room, in which we can go directly to the other room. Here's some sofas, and there's the dining room. Okay, no more resting again. Well, yeah, let's go. So the second room and the first room are connected with this living room only. And the second room is just the same, a bed. just the same like that. And they had given this book. It's really nice. There's some animal pictures. That's all. Next, we are going. That's the bathroom. So that's a dressing room with a bathroom. So this is a dressing room. You can say it as. Here's the basin, and here you can keep your clothes. And this is the mirror. And then we are going for the bathroom. The bathroom is over there. I really don't want to show you guys. Well, who's gonna see the bathroom? Only if you book, then you can come. So yeah. So this is the another balcony of the room, and here you can see the hills much better. So yes, you can see it much clearly. And it's really beautiful scenery. That's the balcony also there. So now let's go. So that's the end. So the next bathroom also, that's just the same bathroom only. So yes, this is the end of the cottage, and it's a really nice cottage. If you really want to live here, you can just book it here. It's one room is costing 2,500, and if you take two of them, it will cost 5,000. So it's really pretty cool. You can play, walk, and do everything. Okay, so let's keep going with the next tour. Now we have come to Neelamadhava temple in Kantilo, Odisha. It is a very old and famous Lord Vishnu temple which is near to the bank of Mahanadi. It is a murti that was in the possession of a tribal king called Biswasu. So when you are planning to go somewhere in Odisha, then go to this historical temple. You have to visit this place. It's really nice and space free. Now we are going to the waterfall, which is inside this dense forest. So I'm just gonna skip this part to walk. So we'll just directly go to the waterfall. Let's go. Guys, we are here in the waterfall. My brother and my sister is also going with me. My father and my mother is back. They are very lazy and walking slow. Okay, so this is the waterfall. We just came right now directly. Actually pretty. Water and this is the starting point, I think so. Yeah. Is this a starting point, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's a starting point. Okay, so now we have to jump and go. Okay.
You have started recording?
Yes. Okay guys, we're going right now from here. My brother is gonna go first. My father mother have came right now. It's actually really funny. And actually that was not the starting point. This was the starting point. This is also not the starting point. We are still going up and up. I don't know how big is that waterfall. Guys, I think we are just about to reach. You can see something right from there. Yes, we are there only. And voila! This is the waterfall. It's really big. I think there's some shooting going on, but we're not here to see the shooting. We are here to see the waterfall. So as a waterfall always has rocks and all. Whoa. So this is the starting point. I think there's still more starting points over there. Lots of people there. There's my brother and sister. Let's go to them. This is it. The fall. I don't know how they can swim, but I don't want to swim right now here. And we really don't know where the starting point, so let's forget about it. Okay guys, so now we are going to Anshupa Lake. Right now I'm with my brother. My other family have gone front. So yes, let's get going. We're going to go for the wash garden, the rock garden, which is this side. So let's get going. This is it, the watchtower. I don't think we are not going here. It will take some time. There are also more places to go. So now we are going to the rock garden. I'm in the rock garden. This is the rock garden. And there's some rocks all over there also. Can you see it? Yes. And there's a vase over there. And yes, this is the rock garden. I don't think we can climb up. As it says rock garden, so this is it. A rock garden made of all rocks only. Okay, so next we are going for the park. So let's get going to the park. It's actually really pretty. I can see from here only. I'm doing swinging here. It's my favorite. And there's more things that I'm going to do. There's also a swirling slide. And there's a merry-go-round. Let me just play. My sister has also come. She's a mad master of a swing. Wow! Wow! Bhai bulana. Mukti ke jabo nahi. Wow! Wow! Cheese! Cheese! Oh my God! I can't go. Now we are going for the lake. As it said Anshupa Lake, so there will be a lake. As it is surrounded with the park also, it's really nice. And here's my family, my mom and my dad. And even my granddad came. You can say it as. He's not actually my granddad. So now we are going for the lake, which is, you can see it from here. I think it's a small lake, but if you see from here, you'll feel it is small. But when you go there, then you'll feel a very big. And the depth is also must be very, and depth much. Some two benches. I'm just gonna sit and enjoy the view. It's really hot over here, as Odisha has a state of hotness. So that's the end of this video. So to Siddhamula. So as I said, we are going for the boating, but we didn't actually had to go. We are a little busy, so that's why. So yes, thank you for watching. Hope you liked the tour. Bye.